Hi guys, Kuya RG here. In this video, I'll be showing you my huge dinosaurs and asking for a trade. Let's get started. This is my huge raptor, aged 38, weighing 32.44 kilograms. Its projected maximum weight is 74.34 kilograms. Next is my huge Parasaurolophus, aged 34, weighing 18.69 kilograms. Its projected maximum weight is 46.70 kilograms. And the last one is my huge Triceratops, aged 31, weighing 26.79 kilograms. Its projected maximum weight is 71.85 kilograms. So if you guys are interested, just comment your chosen dinosaur, your offer, and your username. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.